Biometric encryption and data privacy. Biometric encryption combines biometric data with a cryptography to secure personal information. Protecting this sensitive data is crucial for maintaining privacy and trust in emerging technologies. Understanding biometric encryption. First, biometric data. Unique physical characteristics like fingerprints, facial features, or iris patterns used for identification. Second, encryption process. Biometric data is used to generate or encrypt cryptographic keys, ensuring data is protected. Third, secure storage. Biometric templates are stored in a non reversible format, preventing unauthorized access. Importance of data privacy. Irreversible data. Biometrics cannot be changed, like passwords, making compromised data a long term risk. Legal compliance. Strict regulations like GDPR govern the collection and use of biometric data. Public trust. Protecting biometric data fosters user confidence in emerging technologies. Challenges in biometric encryption. First, a secure storage, storing encrypted biometric data safely to prevent breaches and unauthorized access. Second, key management, ensuring cryptographic keys used for biometric encryption are properly generated and managed. Third, accuracy trade-offs, balancing security and usability when biometric systems have false positive or negatives. Fourth, ethical considerations, addressing concerns around mass surveillance and discriminatory use of biometric data. Teaching biometric encryption and data privacy, theoretical knowledge covering encryption fundamentals, privacy principles, and legal ethical frameworks, practical application, hands-on labs, simulations, and case studies to develop a real-world skills, interdisciplinary approach, integrating expertise from technology, law, and ethics to provide a holistic view, continuous learning, updating a curriculum to keep pace with evolving technologies and regulations, embedding a privacy culture, consent, ensuring users have control and transparency over their biometric data, privacy by design, integrating privacy protections into the development of biometric systems, ethical awareness, addressing concerns around bias, surveillance, and responsible data use, compliance, understanding and adhering to data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Biometric encryption in practice. First, biometric capture, collecting unique physical characteristics like fingerprints or facial features. Second, encryption, using biometric data to generate or encrypt cryptographic keys. Third, secure storage, storing biometric templates in a non reversible format to protect privacy. The future of biometric encryption, advanced biometrics, emerging biometric technologies like behavioral analysis and multimodal systems, decentralized storage, exploring blockchain and distributed ledger technologies for secure biometric data, intelligent security, leveraging AI and machine learning to enhance biometric encryption and privacy. Thank you.